What if, in the next few minutes, you could train your mouth, your brain, and your confidence to speak English more naturally? Today, we are going to practice 100 real, daily life English shadowing sentences. Yes, 100 sentences that real English speakers use every single day in normal life. And here's the exciting part. I have divided this practice into beginner to advanced sentence practice. Starting gives you 50 easy sentences. These build your foundation. Ending gives you 50 few advanced sentences for daily life. This is where your speed starts improving. After this session, where most learners suddenly realize, wow, I can actually speak English now. That transformation is exactly what we're building today. So please stay with me from the beginning to the end, because every part is connected. If you skip the easy part, the difficult part will feel heavy. But if you follow the full journey, your mouth starts moving naturally, your brain starts thinking faster, and your confidence starts growing sentence by sentence. This is how real fluency begins, not by memorizing grammar rules, but by training your speaking muscles. Every time you repeat after me, your pronunciation becomes clearer, your speed becomes smoother, and your English starts sounding more natural. And yes, by the end of this full 100-sentence practice, you will feel a real difference in your speaking confidence. So before we begin, I need one small promise from you. Do not skip. Even if the first part feels easy, easy sentences are the secret foundation of fast speaking. Think of it like building a house. A strong house always starts from the bottom. The same is true for spoken English. Start simple, build strong, then speak confidently. Now, here's what I want you to do. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, find a quiet place, speak out loud with me, and give these next few minutes your full focus. Because this is not just another practice video. This might be the video that changes the way you speak English forever. So tell yourself right now, I am ready. I will speak with confidence. I will not skip. Perfect. Now, welcome to 100 easy daily life English sentences. Listen carefully, repeat after me 2 times only. First at natural speed, then one slower, clear repeat. That is enough to train your speaking memory without making it boring. Ready? Let's begin. 50 easy sentences for daily life use. I wake up early in the morning. Please repeat after me. I wake up early in the morning. Every time, repeat after me all sentences. Good. So next is, I open my eyes slowly. I open my eyes slowly. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I make tea. I make tea. I drink tea. I drink tea. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I sit with my family. I sit with my family. I check my phone. I check my phone. I read messages. I read messages. I watch the news. I watch the news. I get ready for work. I get ready for work. I leave my house. I leave my house.
I go to work. I go to work. I meet my friends. I meet my friends.
Maybe you feel few boring, but it's your speaking English journey. So, repeat after me. So next is, I say hello. I say hello. I start my work. I start my work. I use my computer. I use my computer. I take a short break. I take a short break. I drink water. I drink water. I feel a little tired. I feel a little tired. I talk to my boss. I talk to my boss. I finish my work. I finish my work. I go home. I go home. I feel happy. I feel happy. I sit on the sofa. I sit on the sofa. I watch TV. I watch TV. I talk with my family. I talk with my family. I help at home. I help at home. I make dinner. I make dinner. I eat dinner. I eat dinner. I drink water. I drink water. I clean my room. I clean my room. I use my phone. I use my phone. I watch videos. I watch videos. I feel relaxed. I feel relaxed. So friends, now we will practice some advanced level sentences. Follow same pattern. Repeat after me. I wake up feeling fresh and ready for the day. I wake up feeling fresh and ready for the day. I stretch my body after waking up. I stretch my body after waking up. I check the time on my phone. I check the time on my phone. I go to the bathroom to freshen up. I go to the bathroom to freshen up. I brush my teeth carefully. I brush my teeth carefully. I take a quick shower before breakfast. I take a quick shower before breakfast. I choose my clothes for the day. I choose my clothes for the day. I get ready for my daily routine. I get ready for my daily routine. I prepare my breakfast in the kitchen. I prepare my breakfast in the kitchen. I enjoy my breakfast with my family. I enjoy my breakfast with my family. Don't worry, maybe you feel some advanced English, but this your mouth practice for speaking English journey. So, okay, next is, I check my messages and notifications. I check my messages and notifications. I plan my day in my mind. I plan my day in my mind. I leave my house on time. I leave my house on time. I travel to work or school. I travel to work. Repeat after me, same pattern. I leave my workplace in the evening. I leave my workplace in the evening. I go back home feeling relaxed. I go back home feeling relaxed. I spend time with my family. I spend time with my family. I talk about my day with them. I talk about my day with them. I help with household work. I help with household work. I prepare dinner with my family. I prepare dinner with my family. I enjoy my dinner peacefully. I enjoy my dinner peacefully. I clean the kitchen after dinner. I clean the kitchen after dinner. I watch TV or use my phone. I watch TV or use my phone. I relax after a long day. I relax after a long day. I think about my plans for tomorrow. I think about my plans for tomorrow. I get ready for bed at night. I get ready for bed at night. I brush my teeth before sleeping. I brush my teeth before sleeping. I lie down and close my eyes. I lie down and close my eyes. Great job! You finished all 100 sentences. That is amazing! You should feel proud of yourself. I know it was not easy, but you did it. Now, listen carefully. Do not stop here. Practice these sentences again tomorrow and practice again the next day. The more you practice, the better you will speak. Remember, speaking English is like exercise. You need to practice every day to see good results. If this video helped you, please like this video. It really helps me make more lessons for you. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Share this video with your friends who are learning English. Let's learn and grow together. Write in the comments which part helped you the most. Was it Part 1, Part 2, or Part 3? I read all your comments. Thank you for learning and practicing with me today. Keep practicing, keep improving, and believe in yourself. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep speaking English with confidence.